2021 series of talks that we are having right now.
Okay, let me take the lead in that as well. No, I think it's a great initiative ET is taking, because we all know that ET is a very respected newspaper. And
Yes.
when when you read something in ET, you expect it to be the absolute, it's authenticated, and people seriously read it and take serious inputs from that. So I think if a publication like ET or the Times of India Group were to encourage these sort of initiatives, it will lead to a much larger awareness of a sector that by and large most people in this country are not very aware of. They know there's an army, they know there's a navy, they know things are happening, but more such interaction will bring it out in the open. And I think there's a lot of more public debate required on matters of national security than there is happening at the moment. I mean, we are a country which in 75 years after independence as a democracy, as a robust parliamentary democracy, have not issued a single white paper on defense in 75 years. Now that is a major, major anomaly. Countries are doing it every 5 years. Even China does one every 5 years, because it gives the country an idea of what exactly is our national security strategy, where exactly are we headed, what is the intention. So I think we need to address all these issues. More debate needs to be done. There has to be more public awareness. More public debate needs to be generated. And I think from that perspective, such fora from reputed publications like ET would be very useful, no doubt. Thank you very much. And I want to thank you for inviting me on this. I consider it a privilege to be part of this.
Sir, I would like to thank you.
Aditya, just one thing, since you brought this up, see, what we need is a platform, and that is what ET is doing by providing a platform and such a diverse range of topics that are being discussed. It's not only technology, it's not innovation, it's about industry, it's about self-reliant India, Atmanirbhar Bharat. So if you are providing a platform where such diverse topics can be discussed, it is imperative that we thank you for this, and we also request that this should be continued. Also, maybe whatever comes out of all the discussions that we've been having, if you could distill it into some kind of a thought leadership series, or maybe come out with a paper, and you could present it to the government. This is what the so-called technology experts or industry experts or consultants think about it, and that could be a very vital input, because to provide that input from such diverse sources into one point of I would say contact would be something that the government would also maybe be very welcome to get it from you.
Absolutely, thank you, sir. I mean, and Mr. Verma, you'd like kind words from you as well.
So I would second what AJ sir and Ratan sir said. They are they covered almost everything. I'll just throw it back to you what you told me, that I have the seat at table, so it's important for me to give the perspective, but you have a far bigger reach than any of us here. You are there in every hand in the country, probably in early morning, or probably will be after the corona is fully over. So it's very important that you guys bring the debate of public and private participation in aerospace and defense, which is very important. That's the only way to go forward and match what some of the adversaries are doing in today's world. And once we bring that debate on this public platform, the new ideas sprung up. And very pertinent suggestion from Ratan sir that then we should compile this and take it as a white paper to the government. If government is not coming out, let's take what the citizens are saying. Yeah, thank you.
And Abhishek and I have been colleagues at KPMG. So Abhishek and I, we can both say that we can only advise. Whether the advice is acted upon is something that the government decides. Both of them
is not bound to take our advice, but this kind of public opinion they will definitely value.
I mean,
from this platform.
While Abhishek